Hello, welcome to the course in data governance and this lecture on data monitoring. I am Linus, and today's table of contents are: what is data monitoring, 4 core areas, what to monitor, monitoring data governance performance, and monitoring systems. And what is data monitoring? Data monitoring in relation to data governance is a process where data is routinely checked for issues regarding quality, integrity, security, and usability. And 4 core areas of data monitoring are: alerting. Alerts warns of dangers, threats, or problems. Monitoring systems can be set to raise alerts if data quality drops below a certain threshold, or if the database is seeing suspicious behavior, for example. Accounting. Accounts are detailed descriptions of events used for in-depth analysis of applications, infrastructure, and policies. Auditing. Audits are systematic reviews of various processes in the organization to ensure that they are performing as designed. And the final core area is compliance. Monitoring systems are a critical part of meeting policies, laws, standards, and regulations. What to monitor? Monitoring data quality. When monitoring data quality, common attributes are completeness. Is there data missing? If the column is tagged as not null, this should raise an alert. Accuracy. Do the values fall inside an acceptable range? Duplication. Is the data repeated? Conformity. Is the data conforming to formal standards? Process and tools. When setting up a data quality monitoring system, some things to consider are: establishing a baseline. Assess the current quality of the data in relation to the business goals that guide the data governance program. Quality signals or metrics. Clearly define the metrics that are to be used for evaluating trends in data quality. These metrics are also used to set thresholds for alerts. One popular tool for managing and monitoring data quality is the framework Great Expectations, which provides an open source core product as well as a commercial software as a service product called GX Cloud. And more info on Great Expectations can be found at the link provided. Monitoring data lineage. Monitoring data lineage is crucial for ensuring data trustworthiness. Data life cycles are often complex, and well-monitored data lineage can help with analyzing why dashboards are showing unexpected results or how sensitive data is moving through the organization. Key attributes to track include data transformations, technical metadata, data quality test results, reference data values, and the actor behind data transformations, such as an ETL pipeline. One common tool used for lineage tracking, among other things, is the open source metadata platform DataHub, and more information on DataHub can be found at the link provided. Monitoring compliance. Monitoring compliance means staying updated with the latest regulations and standards, as well as keeping track of the current state of compliance within the organization. A functioning monitoring system can also provide proof of compliance in case of an external audit. Implementing compliance monitoring includes understanding which regulations apply to the organization, assessing which data is at risk and prioritizing, and creating a monitoring plan including roles and responsibilities. It is important that employees are informed about regulations and the importance of compliance, offer training, and encourage questions. Create a culture of compliance and a strong relationship between the compliance person or team and the legal department. Monitoring data security. Monitoring data security is the process of analyzing user and program activity as well as network traffic and search for suspicious pattern and unauthorized accesses or updates. Key areas include security alerts and incidents, network, application and endpoint events, server logs, identity access management, and data loss. Monitoring data governance performance. It is not only data and metadata itself that can or should be monitored. Monitoring the data governance program itself is an important part of evaluating efforts and demonstrating results. Metrics to monitor include number of lines of businesses and project teams that have committed resources and sponsorship to data governance, status of issues that are raised, how they are handled and the resulting impact, level of engagement and influence across the organization, value-added interaction such as training and project support and their impact, and business value return of interest from data governance investments. Performance management framework. Performance monitoring must be continuous and ongoing. Performance management frameworks commonly focus on these 4 areas. Alignment with existing governance frameworks. Ensure that the data governance program is performing as outlined in the data governance framework. Developing performance indicators. KPIs for the data governance program should be well defined, relevant, and informative. Reporting progress and performance. Documenting program performance and providing reports enables informing people of the value of the program. Taking action based on performance results. Performance results should inform decision making. That's the whole point of the data governance program. Monitoring systems. A monitoring system is the set of tools, technologies, and processes used to capture and analyze operations on data. There are many data monitoring tools on the market. Some features to consider when developing, purchasing, or outsourcing a data monitoring system are real-time analysis. Continuous monitoring and analysis is important for quick responses to changes. System alerts. Configurable system alerts are necessary for ensuring that issues are addressed as quickly as possible. Notifications. On top of alerts, a monitoring system needs a robust notification system with options for different channels of communication, as well as enabling responses and follow-up discussion. Reporting analysis. A monitoring system is a big collection of data and needs to offer reporting abilities for presenting trends and patterns and forecasting future events. This also includes graphic visualizations such as dashboards. Customization. Monitoring systems need to be fully customizable to meet the needs of the organization. Independent monitoring systems. It is important that monitoring systems are independent from production services and they should not affect the performance of the systems they monitor. In case of a production outage or failure event, the monitoring system needs to continue monitoring. That is its whole purpose. Passive and active systems. Monitoring systems are either passive, where tools observe data logs and process outputs under normal circumstances, or active, where the system is more integrated in the actual system. The source for this lecture was Chapter 8 of Data Governance, the Definitive Guide. I thank you for listening, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.